For those of you guys who picked up our crystal growing kit at the Muse Market recently in Huntington, New York at the Cinema Arts Center, I wanted to show you what your results could look like when you actually get around to putting it together and working on it. This is a horseshoe crab malt that I've had sitting in the solution for less than a week. How cool is that? Look at those crystals growing on there. Trying to get a clear picture here for you, but look at that. It's pretty cool. And the longer I leave him, the more saturated he's going to become. And this guy right here has actually only been sitting in the solution for less than 24 hours. And again, another horseshoe crab malt, because I am a scavenger and pick these things up at the beach. And you can, if you look closely, and I'm gonna try to get a clear picture here, but if you look, see that? That's all the crystals starting to form. Look at that. And as you can see, this one's also a little different because I decided for this one I was going to try to put food coloring in here. And blue's my favorite color. So I guess we'll see what happens. But like I said, this one's been in here for less than 24 hours and it's already starting to see some growth. I think the molt, of course, is picking up some of the dye, but I don't know if that's going to stay like that. So my friends, this is the actual crystal growing kit. Very cute stocking stuffer. I know a lot of you picked it up at Muse Market, and I wanted to show you what you could achieve with yours. I do have a few of these guys left, ready for... I'm sorry, my son is dancing behind the camera, and you do not want me to turn it around right now. I do have a few of these still available for Christmas. Oh my gosh. Yes, I do have a few of these available for Christmas, and they are $10 each, and they need to ship by Saturday for you to get them in time if you want one for your stocking stuffer. Free upgrade to priority shipping through December 21st. So, hope you guys had fun. I did. Have a great night.